Okay, so this is a follow-up to the previous episode about tiger shark distribution. This time we go into more detail about where they are found around the world and why they are there. If you want me to make a map of the top 10 seas for tiger sharks, leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy learning about sharks, rays, and marine ecosystems. The data for this video was collected from scientific papers, government databases, and non-governmental organizations that monitor shark populations. So let's dive in. First area is the Caribbean, or more widely the wider Caribbean Sea. A few islands in the Lucayan archipelago, such as Great Bahama Bank and Grand Turk Island, as well as the waters off the coast of Belize and Honduras, have reported frequent tiger shark sightings. However, these sightings are often anecdotal, and it can be difficult to determine how many tiger sharks are actually present in these areas. In addition, there are unconfirmed reports of tiger sharks in other parts of the Caribbean, such as Puerto Rico, U.S. Virgin Islands, and British Virgin Islands. For example, during a recent trip to the Caribbean, one of our team members encountered a tiger shark while diving at a popular dive site in the BVI. Despite these anecdotal accounts, there have been very few studies conducted to confirm the presence of tiger sharks in the Caribbean or to estimate their population sizes. More research is needed to fully understand the distribution and abundance of tiger sharks in this region. However, it is possible that tiger sharks may be more widespread in the Caribbean than previously thought. One study published in 2020 used environmental DNA, or eDNA, analysis to detect the presence of several shark species, including tiger sharks in water. Samples collected from different locations in the Caribbean. The study found that tiger shark DNA was present in samples collected from the waters off the coast of Belize and Honduras, as well as in the waters around the island of Bermuda, which lies just beyond the main Caribbean Sea. This suggests that tiger sharks may be present in other parts of the Caribbean as well, and may be more widespread than previously thought. Overall, while there is limited data available on the distribution and abundance of tiger sharks in the Caribbean, anecdotal accounts and recent studies suggest that they may be more widespread and common than previously thought. Further research is needed to fully understand their presence in this region and to determine whether populations are stable or declining. The next area is the Eastern Pacific. There are some tropical islands and seamounts where tiger sharks are known to aggregate. For example, tiger sharks have been reported in the waters around the Galapagos Islands and the Cocos Islands. Additionally, tiger sharks are known to frequent certain seamounts in the Eastern Pacific, such as the Clarion-Clipperton Zone, which is an area of high biodiversity and productivity. The presence of tiger sharks in these areas highlights their importance as hotspots for marine life and the need for further research to understand the ecology of tiger sharks in these regions. Now we're going to look at the South Pacific Islands. Tiger sharks have been recorded in various regions throughout the Indian and Pacific Oceans, including the waters surrounding many of the islands in the South Pacific. Specifically, Central and South Pacific Islands, such as those in French Polynesia and New Caledonia, are known to support tiger shark populations. Research conducted in French Polynesia, particularly in the Rangiroa Atoll, has documented the presence and abundance of tiger sharks. Studies have explored the movement patterns and habitat use of tiger sharks in the region, shedding light on their behavior and ecology. The findings suggest that tiger sharks are important predators in the coral reef ecosystem and play a crucial role in maintaining its health and balance. Additionally, the waters around New Caledonia, located east of Australia and north of Fiji, are also known to support tiger shark populations. The specific location within New Caledonia, called the New Caledonia Barrier Reef, is the second largest coral reef system in the world and provides a rich and diverse habitat for marine species, including tiger sharks. While research on tiger sharks in New Caledonia is limited, their presence in this region highlights the ecological significance of the area as a biodiversity hotspot. Next, we will discuss the Southeastern Asia and the Andaman Sea. Tiger sharks have been reported in the waters off the coast of various countries in Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and the Philippines. However, it's important to note that the data and records may not be comprehensive, and more research is needed to fully understand their distribution and abundance in the region. In the Andaman Sea, tiger sharks have been recorded in the waters around the Andaman Islands, which are a group of islands located in the southern Bay of Bengal off the coast of Thailand and Myanmar. Research indicates that tiger sharks are present in the Andaman Sea, and they are believed to inhabit the coastal waters and offshore reefs of the region. Finally, we will talk about the continental shelf edges and productive banks worldwide. Tiger sharks are known to congregate along continental shelf edges, particularly in areas with abundant prey. For instance, the Bahamas banks, which are extensive shallow water carbonate platforms on the edge of the Bahamian Shelf, are known to support significant populations of tiger sharks. These banks provide a habitat rich in prey species such as crustaceans and fish, making them attractive to tiger sharks. Similarly, other seagrass systems and shelf habitats around the world, such as the Florida Keys, the Yucatan Peninsula, and the northern Gulf of Mexico, also support tiger shark populations. These areas provide a combination of factors that are suitable for tiger shark habitat, including warm waters, ample prey, and coastal protection. Moreover, tiger sharks are known to move between different habitats depending on factors, such as prey availability and reproductive requirements. For example, tiger sharks in Australia have been observed to move between coastal areas and offshore reefs, as well as between different seasons. This flexibility in habitat use allows tiger sharks to take advantage of abundant prey resources and optimize their reproductive success in various environments. So, to summarize, tiger sharks are found in various marine habitats around the world, including coastal waters, offshore reefs, and seamounts. They are known to aggregate in areas with abundant prey, such as the Bahamas banks and other continental shelf habitats, as well as in certain regions of the Caribbean, Eastern Pacific, and South Pacific. Their presence in these areas highlights their role as apex predators in marine ecosystems and the importance of understanding their habitat use and ecology for conservation efforts. And remember, if you want me to make a map of the top 10 seas for tiger sharks, please leave a like and subscribe to support my work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.